RV life crisis. The unexpected cost of a dream. Please like and donate. Living the RV life is often glamorized, isn't it? But what happens when the unexpected throws a massive wrench into your very first step? I sold my house and chose this nomadic life for a very serious reason: the rising inflation and economy crisis. Downsizing to an RV made perfect sense to get ahead of the issue, eliminate my massive housing debt, and secure my future. I paid off the house and used the remaining funds to buy this beautiful travel trailer, my new home. But in the rush to secure a place to live, I made one critical, life-changing mistake. I didn't count the cost. And now, I have a home on wheels, with no wheels to pull it. Discover how collective generosity isn't just funding a lifestyle, but enabling a dream to finally begin. I started this channel to show you the freedom of the full-time RV life, and I have the home part, but I am currently stuck. My biggest, most unexpected financial hurdle wasn't a flat tire or a broken generator. It was the moment I realized the price of this travel trailer, my new home, ate up every single penny of my house proceeds, leaving me completely stranded without a tow vehicle. I have a dream I can't live, a life I can't travel. I am so close to hitting my first major milestone on YouTube, but to even start the journey, I need your help. I really need donations right now. Please, hit that like button right now. It helps the channel more than you know. And if you haven't, subscribe. It's free and it's the best way to keep me on the road. Let me explain the gravity of the situation. The initial plan was simple: sell the house, pay the mortgage, buy the trailer, buy a used heavy-duty truck. But after closing costs and the final price tag of this trailer, the money for the truck was gone. I am landlocked. But the financial hits don't stop there. Even while stuck, the unexpected RV repairs are adding up. Right now, the thermostat for the hot water is out. That means I can't use the cheaper electric hot water when I'm plugged in. I have to constantly rely on my propane tanks, an unbudgeted expense that adds stress every single day. The GoFundMe is crucial to accelerating this, allowing me to start creating the content I promised. So, what does your donation enable? You are buying the engine of my new life and fixing the daily frustrations. Every dollar you contribute goes directly to the tow vehicle fund, getting me closer to the down payment and the ability to travel. But it also helps with those smaller repairs, like fixing that thermostat so I can save my propane and focus on saving for the truck. This is the difference between having an expensive stationary box that constantly costs me money and a functional traveling home. Please, check out the GoFundMe link in the description box below this video. Even $5 or $10 helps me get one step closer to solving these problems. And please subscribe and share this video with one friend. And let's talk about the YouTube side. I need 4,000 hours of view time to monetize. I need to hit that 400 subscriber milestone to unlock more community benefits. Right now, your watch time is the only free way you can donate to my life. Every minute you spend here, every share, gets me closer to generating the revenue that will allow me to fund my own journey and become self-sufficient. I am so close to those first benefits, but I need around 400 more subscribers. Hit that button. It's the most impactful free click you can make. And yes, I really need donations to get that truck and fix these repairs. Every bit of support is a lifeline. This has been an incredibly humbling and vulnerable process. Selling my house to start fresh, only to realize I was marooned and now battling these daily, unexpected repairs. It was a devastating moment of clarity. I am fighting for this dream, and I know that with your help, I can succeed. You are giving me a second chance. My commitment to you is this. Once I get the tow vehicle, the first video will be the incredible journey of finally hitting the open road. That travel will allow me to start working toward my next major goal: purchasing land so I can begin working the land and showing you how to build a sustainable, self-reliant life while living nomadically. That future content and land goal is the ultimate purpose of this journey, and it needs your continued support. Thank you so much for understanding the true crisis of my RV life journey. If my story has inspired you, I ask for your support now. 3 simple things you can do to keep this dream from ending before it begins. Number 1, like this video. Number 2, subscribe to the channel. And number 3, donate via the GoFundMe link right now. It is directly linked in the description below. Your generosity is the engine that will start my new life. I can't wait to see you on the next adventure, made possible by you.